What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2025 Nissan Versa. So I'll be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The first thing I'm going to do is scroll left or right, depending on where you're starting from, and keep scrolling left or right until we get over to the settings menu, this one that looks like a little gear. Once we're on the settings menu, I'm going to scroll down until we get to maintenance. Once maintenance is highlighted, I'm going to press OK. And then you can see oil and filter are highlighted. Press OK. And then from this screen, what you see highlighted there, you can see it's already been reset, but that's where you can edit the mileage. It's at 5,000 miles now. So you can change the mileage you want in between oil changes. And then to reset it, we'll scroll down, reset highlighted, press OK. Then it's asking confirm, scroll down for yes, press OK, and then it will be reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.